Hi everyone, I have another fun Sun and Earth tidbit to share with you. And so I've shown you some charts and we've talked about some different things, but today I want to show you a short video clip of what the Earth looks like from space on these different dates that we've been talking about. So we've been talking about when the sun's rays are perpendicular to the equator and we end up with equinoxes. We get one in the spring and one in the fall. And we've talked about what happens when the sun's rays are perpendicular up here in the northern hemisphere and we get the longest day of the year, the summer solstice. And then on the shortest day of the year, when the rays are perpendicular in the southern hemisphere and we get the shortest daylight day, our winter solstice. And so I want to show you some really cool NASA pictures of this because NASA takes a lot of videos and pictures from space. And so I have a video that I want to show you, and it is pretty neat to see what's happening. And when we look at this, I'm going to share this link too so you can watch it yourself. This is a video it's starting without being full screen. Okay, I'm going to restart it. So this is showing the Earth starting right here. And so you can see we're half light, half dark. So this would be our spring. Well, I'm not sure. I'm assuming it's the spring equinox, but I don't know why I'm assuming that. We'll see what happens. Oh, it was the autumn equinox. And I know that because now the southern hemisphere is brighter. So the sun's rays are now striking the southern hemisphere more than the northern hemisphere. And now it looks like maybe the light stood still. And now look, it's coming back up. And now we're about halfway. Now we're in, this would be then the spring equinox. And as we go from the spring equinox of half and half, we're more perpendicular in the northern hemisphere. And now we're what would be towards the summer solstice when it appears that the sun's rays are perpendicular in the northern hemisphere. And there it is. And now we're coming back to the equinox. That was pretty cool. I'm going to replay it. To the south, to the south, to the south, stops. Back to the north, to the north, to the north, halfway. To the north, stops. Back to the south, to the south, to the south. That is really cool to see. It happens so fast. But you can see how the light on the Earth actually seems to change because the Earth, as it's in its tilted sphere and it's going around and around and around, the sun's rays are striking it differently as it revolves around the sun. So now we can see when it's summer, fall, winter, and spring because of the light. Let's start this up again. Here we are, autumn equinox. This is this week, half day, half night, going towards winter. There's the first day of winter. Now we're going to spring, first day of spring, all the way up, first day of summer, and now we're coming back towards fall. I really like this video. I'm going to go ahead and put that link in there so that you guys can watch it as many times as you want to. But now you can see that how the sun's rays work with the from the sun and how we get our different seasons or why we have the different light for the different seasons. I hope you enjoyed watching that video clip. I can't wait to see how you follow up and share your learning from this lesson. Have a great day, everyone.